Ready to unlock some serious savings on Amazon? This video will show you how to access and use your employee discount to get the best deals possible. First, ensure you are logged into your personal Amazon account and not a generic one. Then, hover over your account in the top navigation bar. In the drop-down menu, look for the employee discount button and click on it. Depending on your setup, you will either see the discount option or may have to verify your employment using your Amazon email. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your employment. This typically involves logging in with your Amazon corporate credentials. Once verified, you'll receive a confirmation message that your discount has been successfully activated. Now, as you browse Amazon, eligible products will automatically display the discounted price. You'll see both the original price and the discounted price clearly marked. Proceed to checkout. As usual, in the order summary, you'll see the employee discount clearly listed, showing you exactly how much you are saving on your purchase. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of the employee discount program, which can generally be found on the initial employee discount landing page. These terms outline eligible products, any spending limits, how long the discount is active, and any other important information. That's it. You are now ready to enjoy your exclusive Amazon employee discount. Happy shopping and enjoy the savings.